Hi there. DIY sanding and polishing machine. First of all, you need a drill with a chuck. Plastic fasteners pin, those used for external insulation. Double adhesive tape. Abrasive paper. Glue, but it is optional. Scissors. Cutter. Shoe insoles. Any hexagonal tip. You can glue it, but I didn't do that and it works just fine. There are a lot of ways to round out and cut this insole. But I choose this option. That seems to me the easiest. It doesn't have to be perfect, just to cover the plastic well. To avoid damaging surface, if for example, you use it to polish headlights, or why not use car paint? Yes, you can polish with that material. But I show you how to put abrasive paper, and consider that felt, as a protection. We cut again the double adhesive tape for the abrasive paper. We cut abrasive paper, we can make more, and in different sizes of course. Depending on where you use them, choose their corrosiveness. I want to do the extreme test, at maximum speed and in wood. Wood offers the greatest resistance to abrasive paper, so it doesn't break, because of that hexagon. If it does not break, and does not come off in the wood, then for polishing headlights, or even car paint in hard-to-reach places, it will work extremely well. Of course, you can put something else instead of the hexagon, but I chose something easy to find for everyone. If you are going to use for polishing the headlights, use gradually from 800, 1500 and 2000. I polished the headlights of my car, and they work perfectly. Now let me show you a trick I use to sharpen knives, or clean my tools with abrasive paper. What do you say about this? Easy and fast, right? Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please let us know in the comments, or at least subscribe. Or do nothing, it's fine. Have a good day and success.